What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add story highlights on Facebook. So you can do the same thing what you do on Instagram. You can do the same thing on Facebook. All you have to do, guys, is open your Facebook to add story highlights. After that, you want to click menu. As you can see, menu at the very bottom right. You want to click menu. After that, you want to click your profile name in the top. Now after that, you want to click three little dots, as you can see here, three little dots in the right. Now after that, you want to click on archive. After you click on archive, you want to click on story archive in the top left. Now after that, you want to select the picture. You want to select the story that you want to add to your highlights, so that you can create highlights on your Facebook. Now let's say I want to add this story as a highlight. Now you want to click this feature at the very bottom right. You want to click this feature, or you can click this heart in the top right. Now I like to click on feature at the very bottom right. After that, you want to title your highlights. For example, I will just title it anything, and I click done, and I click done in the top right. As you can see, top right, click done. And you can do the same thing with any highlight you want, with any story you want. You can add all your stories to your highlights. Now you want to go back to your Facebook, and you will find, as you can see here, this is the highlights. These are the highlights that you can do the same process, guys, to add multiple highlights if you want. So you can see here. If this video helped you guys, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works.